Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to switch back to an Instagram personal account from a professional account. This is what we are going to learn in this video. That's why you should keep watching the video carefully and tell me in the comments section why you want to switch your Instagram account to a personal account. By the way, I will mention the reason, because your Instagram account is not becoming private when you try to make the Instagram account private. It shows switch back to a personal account. So, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can see that the professional dashboard is displayed, which means that this is a professional account. In this way, you can check whether you have a personal or a professional account. Now click on this three-line icon. On this page, scroll down a little bit and stop at Creator Tools and Controls. But if you have a business account, then instead of the word Creator, Business is written, so don't be confused here and click on it. However, my professional account is a creator account, so I click on Creator Tools and Controls and then scroll to the bottom. Here you can see the option to switch account type in the fourth position from the bottom, so click on it. Now two options will appear. You need to click on Switch to a personal account. On this pop-up page, it shows that if you switch to a personal account, your professional account features will no longer be available, which means you will not be able to see your account insights. If you want to proceed, then click on Switch to Personal Account and wait for a few seconds. Alright friends, now you can see this pop-up message showing that you are now in a personal account. To confirm it, let's make our account private. First, go back to your profile so that there is no confusion, and again click on this three-line sign here. Scroll a little bit, stop at the account privacy option, and click on it. On this page, tap on this button and after this, just click on Switch to Private. Now your account is a personal private account. This is how anyone can switch back to a personal account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because this is the only thing that motivates us to make such helpful videos for you.